Press conference is for the 65th KVSA Meet 2022. The 66th KVSA Meet 2022 will be held from 17 to 22 January 2022. The mascot of the 65th KVSA Meet 2022 is a rooster named as Vilope, that is in Tenidie, meaning one's confident in his or her skills. The mascot concept was given by Mr. Nivo Tukehyo, and the mascot was unveiled by Mr. K. Nibusekose, the President, Nagaland Football Association, on the 27th September 2021 at the Oriental Grand. The week-long sporting event will be held at Kochijie, that is our local ground here, IG Stadium, Ralizu Indoor Stadium, Kohima. The four KELs of Kohima Village will vie for 49 goals in athletic events, 5 goals for games event, and 13 goals for indoor events, including under-16 wrestling meet and senior wrestling events. The KVSA has celebrated its 75th years anniversary in 2019. The KVSA was initiated in 1944 with the aim to foster friendship and unity among the villagers, and the first wrestling meet was held at Tevo Kemujie, and therefore the 65th KVSA Meet torch will be light from Tevo Kemujie, that is in Elkel Kohima village. Later on, different disciplines were aided, and slowly it emerges to present status. The KVSA Meet will be not just a sporting event, but a festival where young and old, male and female, sports persons or lay people will join to celebrate friendship and unity. This is all about friendship and unity. KVSA was the second sports association registered from the northeastern states in independent India. The theme of KVSA is to have played fairest, hardest, and for the team, has indeed inspired the sports persons to give their best to outperform the previous records. As many as 1,000 sports persons from the 4 KELs, or we call it Tinos, will be participating, with more than 100 judges from various disciplines to judge the events, and more than 200 volunteers to help in the preparation and in successful conduct of the event. 10 lakhs have been earmarked for the prize money, and record breakers will get 10,000 in cash, in addition to his other prize money, including medal and citations. This is to encourage and to push the upcoming sports person to professionalism in sports. To bring out the best performance from the sports person, 3 days will focus on athletic event, football, basketball, men, volleyball, men and women will be played in league format, and football final match will be played under the lights. Selection committee from various disciplines will be formed to select the best sports persons to participate in the Northern Angami Sports Association Meet 2022 that was scheduled in the month of February. Teaser videos, upcoming players' videos, etc. will be uploaded in the YouTube channel of KVYO, and necessary information will be updated in KVYO website. Partners and the sponsors to finance the 65th KVSA Meet 2022. So that is our preparation, and that is the brief glimpse about the KVSA Meet. Our mascot, it's here. We will later let you get the mascot in a good format. And that is all about the KVSA Meet. You can ask questions if you like to. I will later on hand you over this write-up.
So, is there any SOP to be followed by the authority during the sports events?
SOP, yes. We will surely strictly follow whatever the government lays down the SOP. In the meantime, we are preparing for the worst also if it happens. If we cannot happen to have a sports meet where crowds can gather, we will surely use the technology and play it live so that the whole, not just the Kohima villagers, but we will surely let the whole Nagaland will watch it live. That is our preparation.
The venues for conducting the sports meet will remain the same. Local ground, IT stadium, and stadium.
Indoor stadium, yes. Yes. Yeah.
This came out from the project.
Yeah. The opening ceremony and the closing ceremony will be held here in a local ground, Kochizye. And the athletic event and the football will be held at the IG Stadium. The indoors, as usual, will be held at the State Indoor Stadium here in Kohima.
Is there any teams who is going to hire the players from the outside of the state?
Obviously, there are many players from the village who participate in who participated at national level, international level from our village. So we will surely see them played in our 65th KBSA meet. Yes. You can add. Anyone of you can add.
Yes, our core committee convener has conveyed all the information regarding the upcoming 65th KBSA meet. We would also like to take this opportunity to welcome each and every sports lovers, especially the citizens of Kohima, to come witness our sports meets, as well as come join us in our festival of binding new friendships. So we extend our invitation to all the sports lovers as well as all the citizens to come and witness.
The event, we can make
60 event.
60 events, yeah.
A week-long event.
So then we can make a media group, WhatsApp group, where you can update your results every day.
Okay. Yeah, indeed. Yeah.
We will let you tell with our promotion and
Event production.
even management team.
We may not be able to go to all the locations.
Yes,
sure.
yes.
Yeah, we are even planning to design some apps for the gold,
Medal tallies.
medal tallies and all. We are even planning to do that, and even we will be uploading all the information in our web pages also. So later on, we'll give our web pages addresses and all, and then we were even trying to live telecast our sports event, because most of the people might not be able to attend the sports meet also. So we will be using the most possible ways. Presently, YouTube is one of the most influential social media at present for live telecasting. So we have our own KBYO account also. So we will be live telecasting those sports even in our YouTube channel.
Every event will be conducted under the eye of the professionals. So athletic events means Nagaland Athletic Officials Club will manage the event. The indoors will also be the same thing. Kohima District Badminton Association, Table Tennis Association will look after and manage it. Likewise, the football by the Kohima Town Club, the officials, the basketball will be Sun City officials, and the volleyball will be conducted by the Kohima District Volleyball Association officials. So it will be very professional. Yeah, and the wrestling, not forgetting the indigenous game, that will be managed by the Kehwimie Kene Zevi Kroto, a group of wrestlers who called themselves as Kehwimie Kene Zevi Kroto, where they had referees, they had their own recorders, they had their own chief judge, and they had their own announcers where they can manage it in a professional way.
Altogether, you mentioned altogether, how many sports persons are
1,000 plus sports person will be participating. As many as 1,000 sports persons from the 4 TINOs, 4 KLs,
Okay.
will be participating, and more than 100 judges from various disciplines to judge the events. And we have more than 200 volunteers to help in preparation and in successful conduct of the events. So, yeah.
So, as public are facing the vehicle to park right now, so the authorities are given the space, the local ground space to park their cars. So during that time, what will be the actions that the authorities of KBSA will look after the public to know,
Yeah.
and the maintenance of the ground also.
Yes.
Right now is there is less maintenance, and
Yeah.
it will take a time. Yes, probably the people of the authority, the judges, and all who are given the right to maintain, they will take the time. Yes, but as we are taking a press conference, it would be good if you have highlighted on it.
Shall you or
As, as for the maintenance of the ground here at Kuchiji, our local ground, we will try to facelift and we will try to maintain it at the earliest, hopefully in a matter of a week or two. And as for the parkings and all, might be a little inconvenient for the public also, but still then we'll have to utilize the parking allotted at the proposed city center site for the time duration, for that particular time.
For the ground management, we have been doing this all these years, not this year, for the upcoming event. We have been doing this. So I think, in fact, we have been doing this more than our government does. Yeah, ground management, we always do this whenever our sports news comes up. One good thing is that this time we are enhancing prize money of our players. So it's one thing that players must be aware also.
someone breaks the previous records, he or she will get an extra cash of 10,000 rupees. I think in Nagaland that may be the highest cash award for the record breakers. Yeah.
What is the total enhancement prices? This year, prices have been
Nice. Yes, from 4 to 5 lakh to 10 lakhs. So we have, we have enhanced 50%, some 100%, some 70%, some 80%. We have enhanced it.
Some are even 200% also.
Yeah. Games, previous meets, basketball, volleyball, and football, usually we played in knockout format. But that is not satisfying for the players. And so this year, we are preparing this events for the league format where we want to bring out the best from the players. So football, basketball men, volleyball men and women will be played in a league format. Conduct our cross-country race on the final day. That is the Saturday, the 22nd of January again. Yeah, that brings colors to the village, as well as it will narrate or give out the belongingness of Kohima to Kohima villagers, as well as it brings out the oneness of the players, the friendship, the unity of the players, where everyone who wants to participate can run in this country race. So this will be an attraction. We have asked all the KELs to come in traditional attires, and it will be a festival for the village. So every KEL will come in a procession, whether male or female, children or grown-up, all will be dressed in traditional, and they will gathered here in the local ground where we will celebrate our opening ceremony, and we will celebrate the KVSA meet.
Opening ceremony in the past
Yes.
night event.
Yes.
Right?
This time it will be a day event.
Day event again.
Yeah.
There we are not actually going for a bigger version of pulling traditional gear, but we are planning to have let the small children also get involved with the traditional touch. So we are trying to pull a gear. That will be just a demo gear only, not the real gear, but to showcase that this is how we pull the traditional gear. That's how, and then we are trying to let children also have some few traditional affection with that. So we are trying to have this demo, not demo, but not the real also, not the demo also, but in the middle. Okay, so we are trying to show that this is how traditional gear used to be pulled. So that's how we are going to show to the audience and then all the visitors also.
Distance from?
Distance will be much. It will be from Raza Point till local ground.
Local ground.
Yeah.
Where you'll see as young as 4 years old to 13 years old, we are doing this to give the concept of the traditional beauty to the young children. And also we want to give the taste back to the older generation who once participated in this gate pulling ceremony. And we want the audience to feel to taste the traditional way how people participated in gate pulling, whether young or old, where people gathered with gaiety, with their traditional attires, where people enjoy one another in kehu. We want to show all those things, and we want to embed that concept to the young mind. That's why we come up with this cultural program.
Or major
Yes.
people will be involved. We'll just it's just going to show that this is how traditional gate used to be get pulled.
Yes.
So we're just going to show to the younger generation.
Yeah.
8 to 13 years.
8 to 13 years. And children, indeed, but they will dress, some group will dress up as children, some group will dress up in the an adult format, some will be dressed up in a youth dress attires, and likewise we will dress them up in such a way that all the audience who seated in the ground will feel their age group participating in that pulling of gate.
Both the genders will take part in
Yes.
Both genders, yeah.
The press media for always covering our KVSA meet in such a way that all over Nagaland, not just Nagaland, but the whole Northeast, but all over the world, people can get the what is going on here in Kohima. So we are so grateful to you. This time too, we are expecting that from all of you, and we expect a greater audience. Since the cable network, the Nagaland TV, everything are participating in our this KVSA meet, we hope that this year we'll get much bigger audience, viewership, and audience we are expecting much bigger.